Hello everyone, myself Dr. Khyati Jani. First I would like to explain what is coronavirus. Coronavirus is a disease and it is also called COVID-19 where CO stands for corona, V stands for virus and D stands for disease. It is first found in late 2019 in China. Now it is spreaded all over the world. It is one kind of severe form of acute respiratory syndrome which is also called SARS. If we look into the past, the world has suffered from many pandemics like Spanish flu in 1918, cholera pandemic in 1846, in 2009 we had H1N1 and in 2006 India has suffered from Zika virus, chikungunya and dengue. It is said that it spreads by a person who is infected through his droplets. The common and initial symptoms of COVID-19 are tiredness, headache, fever and dry cough. Sometimes a person may also suffer from diarrhea, body ache and in severe form person may suffer from breathing difficulties. At this point I would like to say not every snake is poisonous, but the thinking and the fear of snake bite makes it more poisonous. So, rather fearing from the coronavirus, one should take and learn how to precautionary measures should be taken to save ourselves. Here I am going to explain about three major areas of precautions. One, at your home, second, at your workplace and third, at the public place.
Keep the hands-free sanitizer outside the office door. Footwear should be removed outside. Temperature checking and sanitization of full body for every person must be done before entering. This should be done to prevent the chances of infection. There should be a separate sleepers for in-house. There are well explained 7 steps of hand wash. One should follow it religiously. To kill the germs 100%, one must rub the hands for 20 seconds. One should wash their hand before eating and after touching the every surface bare hands. Personal protection equipment kit. It is to prevent oneself from the direct contact to the other person. It includes gown, cap, mask, hand gloves, and sometimes it also includes face shield and shoes cover. Ask your client to wear the mask throughout the present in your place. Sanitize every equipment after each and every use. Keep the groceries and other goods outside the house for 5 to 8 hours. Sanitize the hands, doorknobs properly and regularly to prevent the infection. Don't be emotional. Touching and hugging of the family member could be dangerous for them. Don't be emotional. House slipper should be kept inside and the outdoor chappal should be kept outside the house. One must take bath every time coming home from outside. It is compulsory and healthy too. Vegetables and fruit are the major source of infection. Dip them into the salt water for an hour and wash it and use it.
At public place, do not go out until and unless it is required to. Keep 6 feet distance from the other person. You can measure with your hand. Keep 6 feet distance from the other persons. Don't touch any surface outside your home, and if it happens, then wash your hand with a sanitizer or soap water, and remember, sanitizer must be more than 70% in alcohol content.
Corona is hitting poor people and daily wage workers the most. They have no money, no food. Your small help brings a big smile on their face. While taking care of yourself, do not forget that they are humans too.
All of the above, take healthy diet and boost up your immunity with multivitamins and especially with vitamin C. Green leafy vegetables, protein-rich cereals and citrus fruits makes wonders with your immunity. Have hot water 4 to 5 times a day. If you are suffering from any of these symptoms, a minimum symptoms if you are suffering from, immediately contact your doctor. If you think that you have get into a touch with infected person, keep yourself isolate from the other person for minimum 10 to 15 days. Lastly, icing on the cake, keep exercising, keep yourself healthy and busy. Download the Arogya Setu app of Government of India and make yourself helpful. Help yourself and help India to fight with the coronavirus. Stay safe, stay home and stay disease free. Thank you.